See, I reckon you're about an 8 or a 9. Maybe even 9.5 in Soviet time. That blue top shot that you go on is nice. Bit too much Satan though, but yeah, you score high. But there's just one little thing that's really annoying me about you, Steve. Yeah, like I said, you are really fit, but my gosh, don't you just know it?
I'm not trying to fool you, even though I would like to. I think you are really fit, don't think but my gosh, don't you know?
So when I looked at you standing there with your board, I was waiting in the queue looking at the board, wondering whether to have a burger or chips or what the shrapnel in my back pocket could afford. When I noticed at the corner of my eye, looking toward my direction, your eyes locked on my course. I couldn't concentrate on what I wanted to order, which lost me my place in the queue awaiting.